Introduction. Who am I? Drawing has been a part of my life since I could remember, and it's always been a way to make myself feel good and have fun with drawing. With my drawing skills, I will help you guys become better and good at drawing. I always wanted to improve my drawing skills and source the web for the answers to my questions, but the web or the website did not give me the specific answers to my questions, so I had to research a lot to learn from others. Now I know some of those knowledge which I want now to share with you guys, which will help a lot of beginner artists. This channel is going to be mostly focused on beginner artists because I don't really consider myself to be the most pro artist or the professional artist, and I'm also in the learning stage. I am also an amateur YouTuber right now, so it's gonna be your guys' jobs to help me along the way to improve and grow and maybe share this channel's knowledge with all the people you know. So guys, please subscribe and click the notification bell to get identified on the time when a new videos gets uploaded. Also, I upload once a week every week. Drawing has been a long life journey for me and will be for you. It is nothing that could be laughed over or learned in a single night. It requires dedication for years to learn the skills which help you become a great artist. So be patient and always share the knowledge you have with others and learn from the others, and also tell me what you guys want to learn from me. I will teach you guys on the basis what you want to learn from me. You can tell me your suggestions in the comment sections below. I don't have a mic and record with my phone, so it's not gonna be the best voice ever, and it's also my first voice ever, so it's not that good. So don't expect much, okay guys? And also the introduction theme. I'm a young enthusiastic teenager from the Asia between the countries India and the China called the Nepal, the land of the mountains. Oh, that is the wrong title. I just made it up, okay guys? Don't roast me. It is a land of the mountains with lot of peaks and mountains. It also has the highest peak in the world, which is called Sagarmatha, also known as the Mount Everest. So yeah guys, that's my intro about myself. So now you guys know, then please subscribe and help me grow my channel so that we can learn together and help this channel to grow and also your knowledge to grow. That will be my dream come true. Thanks, that's it for today or this week. Bye bye.